Imagine two people. One becomes a millionaire. The other lives paycheck to paycheck for life. But here's the twist. They both started from the same neighborhood, same school, even similar jobs. So what changed? It wasn't luck. It wasn't the lottery. It was mindset. Today, we're diving deep into the millionaire mindset versus middle-class thinking, and how a simple shift in thinking can change your financial destiny. 1. Income and wealth. Middle-class thinking says, I need a high-paying job to be rich. Millionaire thinking says, I need to build assets that generate money, even while I sleep. Take Sarah, a middle-class employee earning $120,000 per year. She's proud of her salary, but she spends most of it. New car, bigger apartment, designer clothes. She's income rich, but wealth poor. Now meet Jared. He earns just $70,000 per year, but he saves, invests in real estate, and builds a small online business on the side. Fast forward 10 years later. Sarah is still working 9 to 5, stressed about bills. Jared, he's financially free. His assets paid his bills. Lesson. It's not how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. 2. Time and money. Middle-class mindset. Trade time for money. Millionaire mindset. Use money to buy back time. Middle-class workers often say, if I work 10 extra hours, I'll make more money. Millionaires say, if I hire someone, I can focus on growing my business. Janet, a freelance graphic designer, used to do everything herself: emails, marketing, billing. Then she hired a virtual assistant for $500 per month. Freed from busy work, she took on 3 new clients, earning her an extra $3,000 per month. That's the power of leveraging time. 3. Education and self-education. Middle-class thinking. Get good grades. Get a safe job. Millionaire thinking. School teaches you how to work. Self-education teaches you how to create wealth. Example. Mark Zuckerberg dropped out of Harvard, but continued self-educating about coding, business, and leadership. The result? Facebook. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. He says, that's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. Millionaires never stop learning. 4. Spending and investing. Middle class. I got a raise. Let's upgrade the car. Millionaire. I got a raise. Let's invest in rental property. Middle class thinking seeks comfort. Millionaire thinking seeks growth. For example, Kevin gets a $10,000 bonus. He spends it on a vacation, new phone, and clothes. Feels good until the money's gone. Alice also gets $10,000. She invests $7,000 in dividend-paying stocks and $3,000 in an online course. Now her money makes more money. Lesson. Millionaires delay gratification for long-term gain. 5. Fear and risk management. Middle-class mindset. What if I lose money? Millionaire mindset. What's the risk, and how do I manage it? Chris wants to start a YouTube channel. Middle-class Chris says, but what if nobody watches? Millionaire mindset Chris says, worst case, I learn. Best case, I grow an audience and monetize. Millionaires aren't reckless. They take calculated risks. They ask, what's the upside? What's the downside? Can I survive the downside? 6. Scarcity and abundance. Middle-class thinking. Money is limited. Save every penny. Millionaire mindset. Money is abundant. Create more. During the 2008 recession, many panicked and hoarded cash. But entrepreneurs saw opportunity, buying stocks, properties, and launching businesses. Airbnb and Uber were both launched during a recession. Millionaires believe in expanding the pie, not fighting over crumbs. 7. Blame and responsibility. Middle-class thinking. It's the economy. It's my boss. It's the government. Millionaire mindset. I take ownership. My results are my responsibility. For example, James was laid off. Instead of blaming the company, he used his severance to start a handyman business. Within 2 years, he was making more than his old salary, and he hired 2 others. Millionaires don't wait to be saved. They adapt and take action. 8. Comfort and growth. Middle-class thinking. Avoid failure. Play it safe. Millionaire thinking. Get uncomfortable. That's where growth happens. Public speaking, sales, investing, these make most people nervous. Millionaires lean in. They know. Comfort creates average. Discomfort creates change. Growth lives outside the comfort zone. Here's the truth. It's not about being born rich. It's about thinking differently. Let's recap. Don't trade time for money. Build income streams. Don't just earn, invest. Don't fear failure. Learn from it. Don't chase comfort. Chase growth. So the next time you face a money decision, ask yourself, is this how the middle class thinks or how a millionaire would? Because mindset isn't just how you think. It's how you live.